Hello, my name is Raghav, and I would like to share my self-evaluation on my managerial skills during crisp peer simulation, which was a part of leading responsibly in complex environment class, and also how could emerging technologies like AI could have influenced my managerial role. Uh, so it it asks three questions. First one is how there are four critical managerial skills: prioritizing, delegating, managing upwards, and motivating others. I could have done better to evaluate myself. Prioritize first, as I realized, as a flood of emails started coming in within such short span of time. I started answering them one by one, instead of which what could have I could have done is distinguish each email based on the urgency, instead of tackling uh, them one by one. I could have efficiently managed my my time. For example, there were some staffing needs, dissatisfied customers, overdue reports, last minute meetings. So I could have prioritized them based on what is what, how important is one or the other. Second one was delegating. It was clear that the effective delegation was essential, especially overlapping the demands of stretched resources. I often try to solve problem personally, and I did not thought that I could have asked for help. So, for example, I could have given some emails to forward some emails to my assistant, which did not needed my attention. So it could have been managed in a better way. Third was managing upwards. So, as reporting to the higher management, especially Jane Davis, I realized I didn't proactively communicated my needs or highlighting um, uh, achievements of anyone. I failed to even in such a short span of time. I was just focused on building the presentation, and whether effective communication with the upper management could have been better. And motivating, for example, motivation of the team is very important. Recognizing your achievements of your team members are very could help them boost their morale and do make them do the job better in a way. It's just small things that you could add at the end of the email. For example, keep up the good work, you got this, things like that. It builds a good relation with your in with your employees, and make you a better manager in those sense. Second, I would like to reflect on the potential use of AI in this simulation. I um, as I did not use any AI in answering any of the question. I just started right away thinking, and I did not thought AI could help in some way or the other. It could have been better. For example, there was one email where there was a lot of data, and I could have simply used AI to summarize the key financial metrics and give me a report faster. Of course, I will go through the numbers by myself as well, but it would help me to get a clear picture of what's going on, and it would help me to save time and have a good impact as well. So in that sense, I think AI could have helped better. And and the third question, my personal takeaways for the simulation is effective management is very important. and always requires a prioritization of the task. Not everything is very urgent. Of course, everything is urgent, but on a scale of 1 to 10, how urgent is it is? Delegation is very important for your team, trusting your team to amplify or boost productivity, and it also builds a good relationship as well. And managing upward is kind of a skill which not only will build better relation with the upper management, and it will also help you to communicate better and uh, help you to tell them what you need. And motivating others can be a really good skill, or as I say, a good practice, because recognizing achievement of your employees, or recognizing the hard work that they do, and it shows empathy and support, and it also in a way boosts performance, because the person would like to do better. And AI, and the last key takeaway is AI could have been a better help, which I did not thought. So this was my evaluation, self evaluation of the course, and of the simulation, and and have a good day.